Okay, so once again has Martin Hayek done some really beautiful renders. This time of the rumored MacBook Pro with the OLED panel above the keyboard. And as you can see in this image, we have Spotify running. So you have the Spotify information on the OLED display. And if we scroll down, we can see a really beautiful image here with the backlit keyboard and the OLED panel above the keyboard. Looks really beautiful, as you can see, really beautiful. And here we can see the OLED panel again and the new MacBook Pro render. And here we see the rumored iPhone 7 Plus with a dual camera lens. And as you can see, the keyboard looks really nice. It's the new butterfly technology keyboard. Same keyboard as on the 12-inch MacBook. And here is a close-up. Once again with the OLED display, the OLED panel above the keyboard. And as you can see, here is some information about the battery, Wi-Fi connection, and more. So I think this is a brilliant idea. So hopefully this will be true. I really like this OLED panel on the MacBook Pro. Once again, a close-up. And here is the MacBook Pro from the side. And as you can see here, transmission is running, you know, the BitTorrent client. So you can see how much of the downloaded file you have. So if this is true, we will have apps that supports the OLED panel above the keyboard, so you can have information from that app that is active at the moment. So I really like that idea. And as you can see here, you have two USB Type-C ports on the side here, exactly as the rumor says. The MacBook Pro will have 4 USB Type-C ports, 2 on every side. I like that. And here we can see the normal controls on the OLED panel. You know, the brightness and the backlit keyboard controls and all that. Looks nice. And here's a close-up of that. As you can see, the power button on the OLED display and the volume buttons. So looks very good. And here is a image of the complete MacBook Pro. As you can see, much slimmer design. Almost like an MacBook Air to me. But this should be the MacBook Pro, the new MacBook Pro. And the touchpad looks awesome. Really huge. I like that. And here is once again a close-up of the OLED panel with Spotify running. You can see the name of the song playing. I like that. And here is both the Spotify controls and the usual battery levels and Wi-Fi information and clock. And here is the transmission app running again. Looks really beautiful. So I will link to these images down below in the description text. You can go check them out for yourself. And here you can see the Siri on the Mac. You have the Siri controls on the OLED panel. So if the rumors are true that we will have Siri in OS 10 on Macs, then you could have Siri on the OLED display panel too. Okay, bye.